Matt Morris here, guys, VP of Fitness. I'm going to break down our brand new 2025 Strength and Conditioning Challenge. When is it? It's 28 days. It's going to go from September 8th to October 4th. We're going to get your strength better. We're going to get your conditioning better. And how are we going to do that? You're going to track 3 strength moves throughout these 4 weeks. We got a lunge exercise. It's going to be the reverse lunge for 8 reps per leg. We got a pull exercise, 1-arm rows, 8 reps per arm, and we're gonna work our bracing through a low plank hold that you're gonna be doing in the finisher and also post-camp with your burn sister and your burn brother. Again, 4 weeks. How often are we gonna do these exercises? Twice a week. So again, you're gonna do those lunges twice a week, rows twice a week, and we're gonna hold that low plank hold to test that time and build it over time throughout the 4 weeks. We have a cool new performance challenge also called the Power 3. On top of the strength movements, we're gonna work on our conditioning moments. You're gonna test these 3, the Power 3, full burpees, jump lunges, and hollow hold flutter kicks week 1 to set your bar. You're gonna do work in week 2 and week 3 of those exercises, and then we're gonna retest those exercises in the final week of week number 4. How's that gonna work? We do full burpees for 60 seconds. You're gonna count your reps, 30 seconds to actively recover, right into jump lunges, 2 for 1. So I go left jump lunge, right jump lunge, that's 1 rep. You're gonna count those reps for 60 seconds, 30 seconds to recover. And then the final exercise of the Power 3, like I said, is the hollow hold flutter kicks, 2 for 1 also. You're gonna count your reps in a minute. You're gonna add the total of that. That is your volume of work in week number 1. You're gonna do and get stronger week 2 and week 3, and you're gonna retest that volume of work in week number 4. That is the fitness side. But again, if we wanna make progress in the gym, outside the gym, we also got to work on nutrition. We're going to set you up for success in the nutrition space as well. So obviously, get to camp. That's step number 1. But we're going to break down importance of other things in week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. What's week 1? Water. We're going to give you tips and tricks on how to drink more water, why it's going to be important for performance. Week 2, we're going to break down why protein is important inside the gym and outside the gym, and give you tips and tricks on how to get more protein in your daily consumable food. Week 3 is going to be sleep. Probably one of those things that's overlooked on your performance. We're going to give you tips and tricks on how to get sleep, but also quality sleep, that matters. And then week 4, we're going to tie it together with just the importance of steps, that non-exercise activity, on how it helps your performance over time, with tips and tricks on number of steps per day. Okay, so again, we're gonna have this all for you: fitness inside the gym, nutrition, tips and tricks outside the gym, 28 days to come change your life. You guys can get a lot of work done in those 4 weeks, but again, just get to camp and let your trainers take care of you throughout those 4 weeks and go crush those goals. 2 claps on 2, 1, 2.